All right, so if we need to write an equivalent exponential equation, we need to get out of this logarithm stuff and into an exponential equation. And the way we do that is by taking the base. Again, the subscript is going to be your base. That's your starting point. And I always think about B, the base is your beginning. So you start with your base and you raise it to the complete other side of the equation. So it's going to be raised to the second power. So we will have for our exponential equation 6 raised to the second power, and then it's equal to the middle. So it equals the middle of 36. And if you look, it kind of creates a little wave here. So we go 6, raise it to the 2, and then it equals the 36. All right, so let's look at another example here. We start with our base. B is for beginning. We take our base, raise it to the 10th power. So we have x to the 10th, and that's equal to 7. Now, these would be your exponential equations, but one thing that's a little bit tricky is you then have to go the other way. So you might have to start with an exponential equation like this and convert it over to a logarithm. So in that situation, it's important to realize that with a logarithm, there are 3 terms or quantities that we need to find. So if we were given an exponential equation like x squared is equal to 7 and we wanted to convert it into a logarithm, we would first start with our base, B is for beginning, and identify what the base is. So here our base is equal to x. Then we take our base and raise it to the second power. So here x is raised to the second, so we would have an x, raise it to the second, and then that is equal to 7. So it's equal to the argument of 7. So when you write your answer would look like log base x of 7 is equal to 2. Let's just do one more to make sure we're 100% on track here. So if you have 5 to the negative 3 is equal to 1 over 125. The first thing that you would do is you would identify your base. So B is for beginning. We start with our base. So our base is 5. Now remember, there's 3 things that we're trying to find. Our base, the argument, and then what the exponent is. So we start with our base. We raise it, in this case, to the negative 3 power. And then that is equal to complete our wave, it is equal to 125. So we would have 1 over 125. So when you write your final answer, the answer is going to look like, again, you're not going to have all these boxes. You'll have log subscript 5, 1 over 125 equals negative 3.